Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you.
Good morning, you guys. It is Friday. I am trying to get a bunch of stuff done before starting school right now. I did a pretty easy breakfast for the kids. And I started a load of laundry right now. That's the last of the laundry that's in the house. But I need to do our sheets today. I was just watching a vlog by Tara Henderson. And she was like sponsored by her and Aaron Williams, actually. I watched a video yesterday and then a video today. And they were washing their sheets and putting these new sheets on and everything. And of course, it made me remember that I haven't washed my sheets in a while. Now, I normally wash them pretty often because I'm breastfeeding and I end up bringing the baby into bed and he eats and stuff, and so breast milk gets like everywhere and spit up. But it's been a little bit because I had to rearrange my room and I didn't get the time. So I'm about to do all that now before I get out there soon.
Wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh,
of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark.
Alright, well, I made the kids little pizzas, and I also have them some marinara sauce and some baby carrots on their plates. I need to change Remy. Yeah, I haven't gotten him out of his pajamas yet today. And he's also starting to get kind of hungry. So I'm going to change him, and then I still have more laundry that I need to fold, but it's not out of the dryer yet. So I'm going to wait for that. Feed him in the meantime, feed the kids, and then I will finish doing the laundry.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. deal. 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Alright, well Garrett just got back from the store, but here's everything that we got from Safeway. I'll just do a quick little haul before I put this away. We're going to be doing nachos tonight, so we got some chips, we have some garlic fries, some tater tots, got some dish soap, different types of juice. We have pineapple juice, cranberry, and then an orange juice, some whipped cream, mushrooms. We also have some apricot preserves and some strawberry jelly, tomatoes, laundry detergent, bleach. We also got some cans of refried beans. I never buy canned refried beans, but we were gonna do nachos and I could like dress these up to make them taste good on nachos. Also some things of green chili. We needed more seasoning, so he got the steak blend. He got some tenderizer. We needed ground cloves. We also have a can of black beans, 2 ducks, a thing of cheese, a thing of cod, bacon, some corned beef, LaCroix, I think it's pronounced, raz cranberry, soda water, 2 things of fresh, what is that, honey smoked flavored salmon, some jumbo beef uncured franks. We also have 2 bags of apples, 2 things of smoked salmon for lox and bagels, a thing of minute rice, 2 things of bok choy, a few frozen things of macaroni and cheese with broccoli, and then in here we have some pork chops, and then I think these are steaks. Oh, tri-tips it looks like. And then we also have 2 things of thick sliced Dave's bread, and then a thing of sliced sourdough, another thing of sliced sourdough, some rye bread, and then he got 2 things of spinach dip, 2 things of guac for the nachos, and then a thing of salsa. Oh, you're so cute. So cute. My baby. Say hi. I just got done feeding him. I folded all the laundry, put the last load in. The sheets are drying. Garrett's cooking dinner. He's making the meat for the nachos. And I'm just playing with Mammy. Say hi. Hi, baby. Yeah. Yeah. He's so cute. You eating an apple? Are you eating an apple? You're so cute. Alright, we got nachos. Big thing of nachos. Yummy. You guys ready to eat?
Let's get the modelies.
Good.
Look at our dinner, Thor. I mean, Remy. Eating me.
Hey! I did.